Hey everybody, today we are going to go into chapter 3. So you're going to go to chapter 3, so go into phase change, okay, and then go to chapter 3, investigating attraction and phase change. Click on that, and then we're going to go to lesson 3.1, liquid oxygen. Go to the warm-up. On the warm-up, this first part is another letter from Dr. Flores, and let's go ahead and read and see what they have to say. So it says, I read your findings about the lake, but am confused about the argument that the lake evaporated between 2007 and 2009. The evidence shows that Titan first started getting hotter in 2002, when summer began, but the methane lake was still liquid 5 years later in 2007. So if the temperature increased starting in 2002, then energy was being transferred into the lake. Why then hadn't it evaporated by 2007? So then we're going to scroll down, and it says that we're going to look at, it says the forum user pointed out that the energy began transferring into the lake as soon as summer started in 2002, yet the lake had still not evaporated 5 years later when the probe took the first picture. Your mission is to investigate how much energy a substance can gain or lose before it changes phases. So complete the steps below to test the possibility that energy was added without the lake changing phase. So we're going to go ahead and launch the simulation, but it says to select substance B, transfer in as much energy as you can without causing a phase change. Reset the sim, and then transfer out as much energy you can without causing a phase change. So we're going into the simulation. We're on B, okay, and so we're going to go ahead and turn on the kinetic energy, put play, okay, and so we're going to transfer it in. So what do you think this is? Okay, this is a liquid, so we're going to transfer energy in before it reaches a phase change. Okay, it looks like it's starting to reach a phase change because the molecules are spreading further apart. Okay, and then it says to transfer as much energy as you can without using phase change. Reset the sim, and then transfer it out without using the phase change. And then our question is, do all energy transfers lead to a phase change? And then how can you use the information from the sim to respond to the forum? Remember, the forum is our investigation that we had from the lady. So we had, again, play, in, I would say it's probably about 121 degrees. Might be 128 before it totally gets to a gas. So then it said, so think about 128 degrees. Okay, and then they said to reset. Yes. Okay, and then now what we're doing is taking energy out before it goes to a phase change. So we have a liquid. So we want to take it out before, or stop it before it gets to a solid. I'd say a negative 26, maybe, negative 34. Looks like they're still moving around each other. Watch those molecules. Now it looks like they're kind of moving back and forth or getting closer back and forth. So maybe about, okay, a negative 57. Negative 57. Okay, and so then we go back to our information here to answer our question. Okay, do all energy transfers lead to a phase change? Yes or no? And how can you use the information from the sim to respond to the forum? So please go ahead, stop this video, and fill that in. And when you're done, go ahead and hand it in.